Alright, this is the snow, Cuyamaca Rancho State Park. Actually, I'm still in Descanso. Had to put on snow chains. That was kind of a pain in the ass, but got it figured out. I'm heading up to, I'm gonna hopefully, if the snow's not too deep and it's actually just snow and not sleet, I'm gonna try hiking to the top of Stonewall Peak here in a little bit. So yeah, this is the snow in San Diego County. For those of you aren't familiar with San Diego or think it's all just beaches and mild temperatures, we do have mountains like this in the county where it gets quite cold, as you can see, but it only snows down at this altitude every few years or so. Winter wonderland up here in Cuyamaca Rancho State Park right now. And yes, I've got tire chains on. Another mile and a half or so here, I'll be to the Picacho campground. I'm not actually camping. No way in hell am I towing the trailer and this. Plus, I'll probably have work tomorrow. But anyways, I'm going to try hiking up Stonewall Peak. I've never hiked it in the snow before, so should be fun. And got my camera gear too. I've lightened up my camera bag a little bit because I don't want to carry all the gear I own all the way up the mountain. But yeah, check out this snow. I haven't seen it snow this good in quite a while. Alright, so I'm further up in Cuyamaca. I'm north of the Picacho campground now. I was going to hike Stonewall Peak, but the snow is just way, way, way too deep. Way deeper than I expected. So, I'm going to cruise around here. Should be coming up upon the road to Stonewall Mine, but I guarantee that road hasn't been plowed. But yeah, check this out. I mean, I've got four-wheel drive and got a pretty good pair of snow chains on, so I'm doing okay. Despite not really being able to see the road much here. Oh yeah, horse camp, Stonewall Mine. I should know where it is. It's just confusing with the snow covering everything up. I wonder if you'll even be able to see the gate in this snow. Alright, so there's the driveway. Oh yeah, it's gated off. But first, let me take a snow feed. I'm here, Sunrise Highway, Highway 79, Sunrise Highway is closed due to the snow. And yeah, it's just almost like whiteout up here, just snow, 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 and more snow. There's going to be even more snow after that. Yeah, there's tons of snow here. I mean, there are snowplows coming by semi-regularly. In fact, I saw some maybe about 20 minutes ago. It's just the snow keeps coming down. They can't keep up with it. This is Julian and Cuyamaca Rancho State Park in the mountains of San Diego County. I would check out Mount Laguna too, but they've got that all closed off because that's at least 1,000 feet higher in elevation. The downtown part's maybe 2,000 feet higher at the highest point. And yeah, they just got it all closed off because there's just too much snow. But yeah, check this out. Winter wonderland.